back to my channel. Today I have my special helpers here,
Zion and Zoe.
So today we are making a special dish from Italy. We are making some
lasagna.
Yes, for your lasagna, all you will need is obviously your lasagna pasta, your ground beef. You can also use ground turkey, mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, ricotta cheese, some garlic, onions, oregano, complete seasoning. This is one of my secret seasoning that I use in almost all my cooking. You need some
salt
and
pepper.
You need some pasta sauce and knorr cube or bouillon cube. Let's get cooking. So first off, make sure that you oil your skillet with a little bit of olive oil, and then add your onions and garlic. This is cooked. You add your ground beef or ground turkey, whichever one you're using, but I'm using ground beef today. So while this is cooking, make sure you boil your lasagna pasta according to the package direction. Add some salt in your water. Cook it, drain it, and rinse it with some cold water. And then once your ground beef is cooked, I usually drain the fat and the oil because I don't want too much oil. I've drained my oil and the fat. Now I'll add all my seasonings, and then your salt and pepper is to taste. If you need more salt, if you taste it later, go ahead and add more salt, but just like I said, to your desire. Some pepper. And complete seasoning and oregano. Also, the exact measurements of all my ingredients will be in the description box below. I'll add my knorr cubes or bouillon cubes. And then last but not the least will be my pasta sauce. Or you can use some like regular tomato sauce if you want. And at this point, I will just put a little bit, about a cup or 2 cups of water in here, and rinse it off and pour it back in the pot so that I'll have enough sauce to make my lasagna. Once this sauce cooks, let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you see that everything is all mixed up. You can turn your stove off, set it aside, and then start layering your lasagna. So everything is set for me to make the lasagna, but first make sure you preheat your oven to 425 degrees, and then take about a spoonful or 2 of your sauce, place it at the bottom of your baking dish, spread it around, and then lasagna. And like I said, I already cooked this. Place it there, and it's okay if it overlaps. That's totally fine. Okay, and then put more pasta sauce. Spread it. This is ricotta cheese. Just place some spoonful in there. and then spread it across. Take my Parmesan cheese, oh sorry, my mozzarella cheese, sprinkle a little bit in there. Take a little bit of my Parmesan, spread it, and you do this all over till you complete the pasta that you have. And I only use 1 packet of the lasagna pasta, so if you want to make more, just make sure you double, like the meat, the sauce, everything. So my lasagna is all done. We'll cover it with some foil. And I have this tray here, or baking pan, because there's a tendency it might spill in the oven once it's cooked, because it's at 425 degrees. So if it's gonna spill, it's gonna spill in here. So bake this for about 25 minutes and you are ready to eat. So the lasagna is ready out of the oven. I did cut it into squares, as you can see here, and we are ready to taste it. You can serve your lasagna with a side of coleslaw, French bread, salad, garlic bread, or whatever you have in your house. Are you guys ready to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Good. Good.
You love it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you loved it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and you leave a comment down below. Also, keep up with me on social media. See you next time. Bye.